Welcome to the Westlake Royal Roofing Solutions Materials List Generator tutorial, where we will show you how to easily generate a comprehensive materials list for your roofing project. In just 3 simple steps, you'll be on your way to success. Step 1. Provide your project details. Step 2. Enter the roof measurements. And Step 3. Select your installation method, product, and color. That's it. Let's dive in. To get started, log in to westlakeroyalroofing.com/mlg. Step 1. Project details. Fill in each field and easily navigate through using the tab key. Include job name, contractor, distributor, date, order number, job phone, project, address, and email address. Providing thorough information will result in a more comprehensive report. Step 2. Measurements. Simply fill in the required fields such as base roof squares, and the calculator will automatically calculate waste and total roof squares. Continue adding details for ridges, hips, valleys, rakes, eaves, and starter. The drip edge will be calculated automatically. Don't forget to include parapet walls, flashing, and step flashing. Measurement source and date are optional. Roof measurements can be obtained from EagleView or other professional measurement services. Step 3. Install method, panel profile, and color. Choose your preferred installation method: direct cut and tuck, direct cut and bend, or batten cut and bend. Then select a panel profile. For this example, we'll go with direct cut and tuck with Pinecrest shake. Take your pick from the available colors or choose no color if you're unsure. Once you've checked all your information for accuracy, you can either generate a materials list, save project for later, or clear the project to start over. Let's generate a materials list. Here, you'll find an overview of your project. Export it as a PDF or CSV, or start a new project if needed. Scroll down to see all the materials required for your project. Add any additional materials, remove unnecessary ones, or include optional items using the Enter Quantity field. In this section, choose your underlayment. You have multiple choices, however. Remember that the quantity of each choice is for the entire roof. Use the Enter Quantity box to adjust for your project. Lastly, export a PDF with pictures and quantities for your customers, or opt for a CSV to assign pricing and margins. Excel template is not provided. Congratulations! You've successfully created a detailed materials list for your project. If you have any questions, reach out to your local territory manager for assistance. They're always happy to help.